Members of the LGBTQ plus community are no stranger to being stereotyped. When someone comes out, there may be assumptions that they work in fashion or the entertainment industry, but that's not always the case. To celebrate this year's Pride Month, we talked to 4 LGBTQIA plus individuals who break those stereotypes. When people think of a seafarer, they might picture a rugged man navigating rough seas. But such stereotypes didn't stop John Kenneth Bacolod from becoming a seaman.
To be honest, nag-come out lang ako nung college na ako sa family ko. I just said that I'm not straight. I'm not a straight man or something. I'm gay. But then my auntie said, then my family said na we knew. But then lumaki ako sa family of seaman, yung mga lolo ko mga seaman. So, yun yung isa sa mga naging inspiration ko na mag-pursue nun. Sa grandparents ako lumaki. And yan, sila na naging magulang ko.
Kevin Kirk Lobaton similarly grew up seeing his father and brothers work in the seafaring industry, which is why a career at sea felt like a natural path to pursue.
Siguro I am grateful that I never had a coming out story because at an early age, my parents and all the members of my family so supportive of who I am. My expectations, sabi ko sa self ko baka it's gonna be too hard for me. Like even my classmates back in high school, they were so shocked that I'm taking this kind of profession because it is really out of my league. I've had doubts going into this profession, but I think I know myself more that I can go along or be at par with the straight guy. So it never really bothered me taking up this profession.
From sea to land, queer farmers Viola Fern Sebastian and Frianina Resplandor of Myriad Farms in Nueva Ecija are breaking gender stereotypes in agriculture. Despite farming being often seen as a male-dominated field, the couple had proven that their dedication made it successful to their chosen career.
So it's more of continuing kasi yung legacy na iniwanan ng mama ni Fern. And since wala naman ding ibang titingin, kami na, we took on the responsibility of taking care and managing the farm.
I think I was in 4th year college nung na-realize ko I love women. Oo, late bloomer ako. Pero I never had any relationship outside that. Wala akong boyfriend or wala din ako naging girlfriend that time. Noong una, syempre, it was very difficult for my mom to understand. Sinaunang nanay ang nanay ko. So talagang mahirap i-explain. Lahat ng relationships ko, ang tawag ko ay best friend.
I started early as grade school ako. Alam ko ng babae yung gusto ko eh. Kasi nagka-crush ako sa mga classmates ko. Although yung school naman namin, may mga boys naman. Hindi, we're not really co-ed. Separate yung classes ng babae sa mga lalaki. Aware naman yung family ko. Wala naman akong nakuhang negative reaction masyado. So it was more of hindi, yun lang, except of course from my mother na merong konting hesitation
Kung sinauna din siya.
on her kasi syempre nga old school din. Pero among sa mga siblings ko, wala namang naging problema.
Despite being out and proud, these queer individuals are afraid of being discriminated. However, this didn't stop them from achieving their dreams.
Meron talagang discrimination. Inisip ko na yun kung sasampa ako sa barko, alam ko na may mga ganang mangyari sa akin. Na may mga discrimination na pag bakla ka or LGBT seafarer ka, parang hindi ka nila, parang feeling ko may discrimination like sa work mo, parang hindi ka nila bigyan ng mabigat na trabaho or feeling nila weak ka. I still tend to continue because siguro gusto ko din talaga kasi first and foremost gusto ko talaga mag-travel. Gusto ko ang traveling. I love to travel. And then next is gusto ko din malaki kinikita. And then last is gusto ko din makamit ng iba-ibang mga tao. I enjoy my work when I get to mingle with with other people, especially with other nationalities. Sa experience ko ha, malaki yung respeto nila kasi alam ko kasi nakapagbigay ako ng kasiyahan sa barko. Yun talaga yung feeling ko na grateful sila kasi ang mga LGBT kasi sobrang happy-go-lucky and then sobra talaga nagpapasaya sa on board. So sinabihan ako ng isang kasamahan namin na naging masaya daw sila. First time nila makasama ng ganito. Tapos sobrang nag-enjoy sila kasi sobrang masaya daw. So sa akin naman, so natuwa ako kasi akala ko dati na, ay meron namang cases pero akala ko dati talaga na akala ko mabubuli ako or discriminate ako. Pero dito, sa experience ko, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi masaya. Pag masaya ang kasama mo, masaya, magiging masaya din yung buhay mo doon. Parang ganun.
Maybe because I'm in a high-ranking position in my career, so maybe they are afraid of speaking to me because maybe they will get reprimanded. If there's someone who is being discriminated, we can report it directly to the company. I started 2015 and I was promoted 2021. So I was one of the youngest chief officer being promoted and part of the LGBTQ communities.
I think in general, the whole society is more accepting
Accepting na ngayon.
of this kind of relationship, of this kind of preference. So,
Hindi na katulad dati.
sa part naman ng mga local farmers na nakakatrabaho namin, hindi rin naman naging issue or problema. Kasi ang strategy lang naman namin ni Fern is we ask question and then we listen.
Sinasabi ko kay Nina noon, parang ako yung doubtful eh. Sinasabi ko kay Nina, talaga ba para sa atin to? Nina would always remind me and tell me na, hindi tayo dadalhin dito kung hindi ito para sa atin. Siguro sinusubukan lang tayo kung pag sa maliit ba na problema, bibigay tayo kaagad. But we forged on. Alam mo yun? We forged on. We tried our best. We did our best. I can say we did our best. We are doing our best.
We can still pursue our dreams and we can still excel in our profession. Even you're as lesbian, gay, bi, trans, any gender, because we have the power to change the world.
So don't wait for someone else to show you it is possible. Sometimes you are meant to be the representation needed. Take up space and who knows, you are also paving the way for others.
Do not limit yourself. Napakalaki ng mundo for us to explore and for us to conquer. And huwag kayong matatakot, huwag kayong mahihiya kasi as long as nakagaya na sinasabi namin, wala kang tinatapakang ibang tao at alam mong nasa tama ka lang, pagpatuloy mo lang and you can always show them what you can do. You can always show people that we can do better than what is expected of us.
Kung malinis yung intention mo, and you just do your work and everything will really go align.
Kahit anong negative pa sabihin yan, lalagpasan at lalagpasan mo yan. Nasa sa atin, mga kapatid, ang ating ikaliligaya. Nasa sa atin ang ating ikauunlad.